Season's greetings. I'm Tim Cook and I'm the president of Clackamas Community College. As I reflect on 2021, I'm filled with gratitude. This last year has tried us in many ways, from a world pandemic to multiple natural disasters. We have lost those we love. However, we've also welcomed new members to our families. I have witnessed the strength of humanity, our ability to care for each other, demonstrations of kindness, and so much compassion for our community. At Clackamas Community College, we have made the safety and the protection of our students, our employees, and our community a priority. We have adapted to working from home, teaching online, wearing masks on campus, and socially distanced spaces. We have made it work, thanks to your persistence, your adaptability, your resilience, your dedication, your innovation, your passion, and your success. I'm thankful to be part of the CCC community and to call Clackamas County home. This holiday season, enjoy time with your family and friends. Take time to do things that feed your soul, restore your energy, and bring you joy. This year I wish for peace on earth and goodwill toward all. Happy holidays, Cougar Nation.